Yes, good morning to all. Ma. Today we are going to start unit number 2. Ma. In this unit, in unit number 2, ma, two small topics available. Ma. Topic number 1 is limits, and second topic is continuity. Ma. This unit number 2 contains two different topics. Ma. One is limits and other one is continuity. Ma. Now we are going to start a limits chapter. Ma. In this limits, ma, let us see definition of limit of the function. Ma. Definition of limit of the function. Yes, what is that one? See, ma. Let us take a real number L. Ma. That real number L is said to be limit of function f of x. That real number L is said to be limit of the function f of x as x approaches to a, means as x is reaching to a or as x is tends to a. Ma. One and the same. Ma. A real number L is said to be limit of f of x, function f of x as x approaches to a, if it can follows the condition, ma, below condition. Ma. That condition is for each epsilon greater than 0, there exists delta greater than 0 such that modulus f of x minus L is less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a is less than delta. Ma. Once again I am repeating the condition. Ma. A real number L is said to be limit of the function f of x as x approaches to a, if for each least positive real number epsilon, ma, for each epsilon greater than 0, there exists another least positive real number delta. Ma. There exists delta greater than 0. To satisfy the condition, mod f of x minus L, mod f of x minus L is less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a is less than delta. Ma. Mathematically, this above relation we can write as like this. Ma. Limit f of x as x tends to a is equal to L. Total meaning of mathematical meaning of this theoretical line is what? Ma? Limit f of x as x tends to a is equal to L. How can you say this is mathematical condition? I will show theoretically here. Ma. I want to explain what is the internal meaning of this condition. Ma. What is the internal meaning of this condition? Ma. For that, once come on to this area. Ma. Here, first of all, I want to remove modulus. Ma. If you can remove modulus, what do you get? Ma? Minus delta is less than x minus a is less than plus delta. Ma. Right? Basically, here delta is a least positive real number like epsilon. Ma. Sometimes you may take epsilon equal to delta, or delta may be different from epsilon, but delta should be again what? Ma? A least positive real number like epsilon. Ma. Right? Now I want to take here delta as something like 0.01. This is a least positive real number. Substitute this here. Ma. Then we get minus 0.01 is less than x minus a is less than plus 0.01. Now x minus a lies between minus 0.01 plus 0.01 means what? Ma? Actual logical meaning is what? Ma? Here x minus a is approximately equal to 0 because 0 is lies between these two nearer numbers. Ma. Whenever this lies between these two things means what? Ma? X minus a should be approximately equal to a. Otherwise, you can write x is approximately equal to a. You can take it as x tends to a. X approximately equal to a, x tends to a, one and the same. Ma. Right? This is the meaning of this condition. Ma. Yes, keep this result aside. Ma. Now let us go through expansion of this part. Ma. Then expand chesdam. Again remove modulus here. Ma. What we get? Minus epsilon is less than f of x minus L is less than plus epsilon. Again here epsilon is what? Ma? A least positive real number. Ma. Like delta. Anything you can take, same value you can take or any other minimum value you can take. Ma. For my convenience I am taking same value 0.01, otherwise you can take 0.001, no problem. It is not compulsory to take epsilon and delta both same. Ma. I want to take epsilon as like this 0.001 ma, because it is a least positive real number. Now let us substitute here. Ma. Minus 0.001 is less than f of x minus L is less than plus 0.01. 001 plus 0.0001 ma, right? But again, what is the meaning of this ma? This f of x minus l lies between these two numbers, but in between these two numbers, basically these two are nearer numbers ma, completely nearer to each other ma. In between them 0 is there. I mean, here we can take f of x minus l is approximately equal to 0. That is the meaning of above line ma. Whenever you get this ma, you can write it as what ma? Take l to other side ma. It is f of x is approximately equal to l. This is the internal meaning of this ma. Mod f of x minus l less than epsilon means what ma? F of x is reaching to L or approximately equal to L or approaching to L ma. Whenever x reaches to L, x is approximately equal to A, sorry. If f of x is approximately equal to L ma, then you say L is what ma? Limit of this function f of x as x tends to A ma. Mathematical meaning of that is this only. Limit f of x as x tends to A equal to L means what ma? Whenever x is tending to A, if f of x tends to L ma, you can write like this ma, right? In such case, we say L is what ma? The limit of the function f of x as x approaches to A ma. No need to go through. For your understanding purpose, I am taking all these things ma. Just remember this. Whenever you can go through limit condition ma, remember this ma. When do you say L is limit of f of x as x tends to A ma? If for each epsilon greater than 0, there must be possible to define a least positive real number delta in such a way that mod f of x minus l less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a less than delta ma. But here in the theoretical way we can take like this ma. But in the problematic part or in other theorems ma, you can take here epsilon by 2, epsilon by 3, whatever it may be. Depends upon the situation in the question you can take. Here meaning of this is what ma? Mod f of x minus l should less comparing with a least positive real number. That may be epsilon or epsilon by 2 or epsilon by 3, whatever it may be. Amma ikkada epsilon e teesukovalane rule ledu. Meaning enti dinte mod f of x minus l should less comparing with what ma? A least positive real number. Epsilon least positive real number ainappudu epsilon by 2 also least positive real number, epsilon by 3 also least positive real number, and so on. In further situations ma, depending upon the situation, here you can adjust epsilon by 2, epsilon by 3 like that ma, right? This is about your limit of the function definition ma, right? Okay, now let us see a problem here. Once go through a problem here so that easily you can understand this definition ma. Yes, question is, if f is mapping from R to R, means real number set to real number set, such that f of x is equal to x square minus 4 by x minus 2 for all x is not equal to 2, then prove that limit f of x as x tends to 2 is equal to 4 by the definition of limit of the function. This is your question. If f is mapping from R to R such that f of x equal to x square minus 4 by x minus 2 whenever x is not equal to 2, then prove that limit f of x as x tends to 2 is equal to 4 by using basic definition of limit of the function ma, right? Now first of all I want to take given conditions here ma. Here what is given area ma? In the statement they are giving that f is mapping from R to R such that f of x is equal to x square minus 4 by x minus 2 for all x is not equal to 2. This is given condition for you. Now what we have to prove here ma? Here you have to show limit f of x as x tends to 2 equal to 4. For this, according to previous definition ma, it is sufficient to show that for each epsilon greater than 0 there exists delta greater than 0 such that mod f of x minus 4 is less than epsilon whenever mod x minus 2 is less than delta. In the definition ma, instead of L we have 4, instead of A we have 2 ma. Just those two things I removed ma. We have to show this condition. If we can show this condition, we say limit f of x as x tends to 2 equal to 4 ma. In this also, for each epsilon greater than 0, I will take for each epsilon greater than 0, consider this ma, mod f of x minus 4 ma. We must show, considering this, whenever this is less than epsilon, if we can, whenever mod x minus 2 is less than delta, if we can show this is less than epsilon, that completes your total work ma. For that cause, in the next step ma, I want to go through for each epsilon greater than 0, let us consider mod f of x minus 4 ma. This is mod, what is f of x ma? X square minus 4 by x minus 2 minus 4, right? This is mod x minus 2 into x plus 2 by x minus 2 minus 4. Any doubt? Because 4 you can write as 2 square ma, a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b, right? Now this x minus 2, this x minus 2 gets cancelled ma. Now here we have x plus 2 minus 4 becomes what ma? Modulus x minus 2 ma, right? Ika once proceed ma. Here our aim is what ma? For mod f of x minus 4 less than epsilon, we must show whenever x minus 2, mod x minus 2 less than delta ma. For that, in the next step, I will go through when this becomes less than epsilon. That is the situation. When this becomes less than epsilon ma. If we can show this is less than epsilon whenever mod x minus 2 delta, less than delta, that is enough ma. For that cause, in the next step, I am doing condition like this ma. In this case, mod f of x minus 4 is less than epsilon. This is less than epsilon whenever mod x minus 2 less than epsilon. Any doubt? If this mod x minus 2 less than epsilon ma, automatically this is also less than epsilon, because both are what ma? Equivalent quantities. That word I written here ma. But we know in this case, already in the definition I told ma, epsilon and delta both are what ma? Least positive real numbers ma. So that here our convenience, we are going to take epsilon is equal to delta. Delta and epsilon both same, because both are least positive real numbers. Especially I want to replace this epsilon with delta ma, because both are same things we can take. Here meaning is what ma? Whenever this is less than epsilon, whenever this is less comparing with whenever this is less comparing with a least positive real number, this is also less comparing with least positive real number. That meaning you must get ma. Now I take this ma. Then what we got here? Mod f of x minus 4 is less than epsilon. Here I am not changing ma. Whenever mod x minus 2 is less than delta, because here I am replacing epsilon with delta. Any doubt is there? I said ma, actually we should get what ma? This is less comparing with a least positive real number. Whenever this is less comparing with a least positive real number, that may be epsilon or delta, whatever it may be ma, leave it, right? Okay, now I want to recollect all the things ma. That is, for each epsilon greater than 0, there exists delta greater than 0 such that mod f of x minus 4 is less than epsilon whenever mod x minus 2 is less than delta ma. By the definition, what do you say ma? Therefore, limit f of x as x tends to 2 is equal to 4. This completes your question ma. But remember ma, whenever they give this ma, by the definition of limit of the function, prove this result ma, in that case only you must do like this ma. Otherwise some other approach is there in the problematic part ma. If they don't mention this condition ma, second condition ma, this condition, then other easy procedure is there ma, right? This is about your first question ma. Let us see one more question, so that you can understand concept of basic definition easily ma. And sometimes in the examination these type questions also they are asking ma. It is, if f is mapping from R to R such that f of x is equal to x into sin of 1 by x, x into sin of 1 by x, for all x is not equal to 0, then prove that limit f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to 0 by the definition of limit of the function. This is your question. Again, in this I want to take given conditions. Given that f is mapping from R to R such that f of x is equal to what? X into sin of 1 by x for all x is not equal to 0, right? Again, come on to this area. To prove this result, what we have to show here? For each epsilon greater than 0, there exists delta greater than 0 such that mod f of x minus 0, mod f of x minus 0 is less than epsilon whenever mod x minus 0 is less than delta. If we can show this, that completes our total work, right? For that, for each epsilon greater than 0, let us consider this portion. For each epsilon greater than 0, consider mod f of x minus 0. This is mod, what is f of x? X into sin of 1 by x minus 0. But x into sin 1 by x minus 0 is what? Is it mod x into sin 1 by x or not? Let us consider x is a and sin of 1 by x is b. Mod a into b is always equal to mod a into mod b or not? So that this you can write as mod x into mod sin of 1 by x. But already you know sin ratio range is in between minus 1 and plus 1, means minus 1 is less than or equal to some sin real number alpha is less than or equal to 1. Otherwise we can write mod sin alpha is what? Less than or equal to 1. Means this portion is what? Less than or equal to 1. Now this is mod x into 1, since clear reason I am writing mod sin alpha means real number is less than or equal to 1, right? I mean here equality becomes what? Less than or equal, because this is less than or equal to 1. Any problem is there? But mod x into 1 is what? Mod x means this is less than or equal to mod x. But mod x you can write as what? Mod x minus 0. Any problem is there? If here one see mod f of x minus 0 less than epsilon whenever this is less than epsilon. If this is less than epsilon, then this portion also less than epsilon or not? That condition I am writing. In this case, mod f of x minus 0 is less than epsilon whenever mod x minus 0 is less than epsilon, right? I mean if this is less than epsilon, automatically this is also less than epsilon because this is less than or equal to this, that word we use. Again here I want to take epsilon is delta because both are least positive real numbers. Let us take epsilon is equal to delta. From this, mod f of x minus 0 is less than epsilon whenever mod x minus 0 is less than delta, right? I want to recollect all the conditions. That is, for each epsilon greater than 0, there exists delta greater than 0 such that mod f of x minus 0 is less than epsilon whenever mod x minus 0 is less than delta. By the definition of limit of the function, what do you say, limit f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to 0. This completes your question. But again I am repeating, if they can mention this word by the definition of limit only, you have to proceed like this. If they don't give this line, prove that this up to here only, some other procedure, easy procedure is there, right? This is about your problems in limit function basic condition, right? Now we are going to define application oriented or problematic related definition of limit of the function. But again that one I am going to define according to previous basic limit definition. First of all I want to recollect limit definition. Basically, when do you say a real number L is limit of f of x as x tends to a or as x approaches to a ma? If for each epsilon greater than 0, there exists delta greater than 0 such that mod f of x minus L is less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a is less than delta ma, right? This is the definition. Now especially I want to go through this one division ma. I want to divide this area in two equal parts ma. Like this I am going to divide this one ma, especially this area. Here remove modulus ma. What do you get? Minus delta is less than x minus a is less than plus delta. Next remove a ma. For that add a on both sides. A minus delta is less than x is less than a plus delta ma. In between a minus delta and a plus delta ma, a should be there. Delta is a least positive real number. In between these two things, a should be there. Actually our portion is here to here ma. I want to divide that one to two equal divisions ma. Here to here is one division, here to here is next division. Any problem? I mean this point, this relation I am going to write like this ma. A minus delta is less than x is less than a is one part ma. Next a is less than x is less than a plus delta is other part. This is called as left neighborhood of a. This is called as right neighborhood of a ma. That means meaning of this is what ma? X belongs to open interval a minus delta comma a. This is called as left neighborhood of a ma. Ante left neighborhood of a means what ma? X is immediately before a stage ma. A undi kada, a ki immediately before stage lone manaku x untundi. X is completely nearer to a before a. It should be before a. Meaning of this is what ma? X belongs to open interval a comma a plus delta. Meaning of that is what ma? X is nearer to a means nearer to a immediately after a ma. A tarvata vache next numbers దగ్గర x ఉంటుంది. But it should be nearer to a ma. That is the meaning of this condition ma. Now this definition, let us proceed here ma. In this neighborhood ma. That is called as your first left hand derivative, left hand limit of the function ma. In this right neighborhood ma, let us define the same definition that gives right hand limit of the function. By using left hand and right hand limit of the functions ma, you can define application oriented or second definition for limit of the function ma, right? I mean first of all I want to define left hand limit of the function. Left hand limit of the function. Yes, once see what is that ma. Let us take a real number L ma. That real number L is said to be left hand limit of the function f of x as x approaches to a if it can satisfies a small condition ma. That condition is if for each epsilon greater than 0 there exists delta greater than 0 such that mod f of x minus L is less than epsilon whenever this neighborhood ma. A minus delta is less than x is less than a ma. Whenever a minus delta is less than x is less than a ma, in such case if mod f of x minus L is less than epsilon, mod f of x minus L is less than a least positive real number, in that case we say this L is what ma? Left hand limit of f as x tends to a or approaches to a ma. Mathematically above relation you can write as limit f of x as x tends to a minus is equal to L. X tends to a minus meaning is this one. Or you can write this one as limit f of a plus h as h tends to 0 is equal to L, one and the same. That means here replace f of a minus h ma. Limit f of a minus h as h tends to 0 equal to L. Meaning of this is this one only. Now this relation x tends to a minus you can write as what ma? Limit f of a minus h ma as h is tending to 0 ma. Understood or not? Or this same thing you can write as f of a minus 0 equal to L. Don't misunderstand, f of a minus 0 is f of a. F of a minus 0 is notation for this ma. Limit f of a minus h as h tends to 0 ma. ఇక్కడ f of a minus 0 అంటే a minus 0 అంటే a అని కాదు. Don't misunderstand. f of a minus 0 means what ma under notation wise? Limit f of a minus h as h tends to 0 ma. All these are notations for what ma? Left hand limit of the function ma. నేనైతే in further stages I am going to use this notation ma. Limit f of x as x tends to a minus equal to L, that gives what ma? Left hand limit of the function ma. Right? Okay, next go for right hand limit of the function ma. Yes, here also let us take a real number L ma. That real number L is said to be right hand limit of the function f of x as x approaches to a if for each epsilon greater than 0 there exists delta greater than 0 such that mod f of x minus L is less than epsilon whenever a is less than x is less than a plus delta. Just define under right neighborhood of a. Whenever a is less than x is less than a plus delta ma, in such case if f of x mod f of x minus L less than a least positive real number, in such case we say this L is what ma? Right hand limit of the function f of x as x approaches to a ma. Right? Mathematically this you can write as limit f of x as x tends to a plus is equal to L. Limit f of x as x tends to a plus equal to L. Or the same thing in terms of h you can write as limit f of a plus h as h tends to 0 equal to L. This limit f of x as x tends to a plus you can write as like this ma. Replace x with h tends to 0 and take x replace with what ma? A plus h. Here replace x with a plus h and then take as h tends to 0. This one and the same under notation wise ma. Or this you can write as f of a plus 0 is equal to L. Again here don't misunderstand, a plus 0 is a ma. Here f of a plus 0 notation meaning is what ma? Limit f of a plus h as h tends to 0. All these are notations for right hand limit of the function. In my way I want to proceed this notation ma, in further stages ma. Limit f of x as x tends to a plus equal to L is what ma? Right hand limit condition ma. Right? By using these two things we can define definition number 2 or application oriented definition of limit of the function ma. అంటే మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో యూజ్ చేసే డెఫినేషన్ ఇదేనమ్మా. సెకండ్ డెఫినేషన్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ మా? ఏ రియల్ నెంబర్ L ఈజ్ సెడ్ టు బి లిమిట్ ఆఫ్ f of x if limit f of x as x tends to a minus equal to L and limit f of x as x tends to a plus is also equal to L ma. If limit f of x as x tends to a minus equal to L which equal to limit f of x as x tends to a plus ma, then you say this L is what ma? Limit of f of x and meaning of this total thing is what ma? Limit f of x as x tends to a equal to L. దీని మీనింగే ఇదమ్మా. యాక్చువల్లీ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్స్ లుక్ మా? ఒక ఫంక్షన్ ఇచ్చేస్తారండి, ఈజ్ ఇట్ లిమిట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్ అని అడుగుతారమ్మా. ఇన్ సచ్ కేస్ ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ లిమిట్ మా. I mean let us calculate limit f of x as x tends to a minus. You must get a real number L. Infinitive రావద్దు, undefined రావద్దు. Here should be a real number L ma. And find right limit ma. Limit f of x as x tends to a plus. You must get same real number L. In such case only we say limit f of x as x tends to a equal to L ma. There you say this L is what ma? Limit of f of x as x tends to a ma. If suppose left hand limit value is limit f of x as x tends to a minus we got L ma, and limit f of x as x tends to a plus got L dash. Both are real numbers, but L is not equal to L dash, for example ma. In such case we say limit of f of x as x approaches to a is not exist. Whenever this is possible ma, L is not equal to L dash, L should equal to L dash ma. If L is not equal to L dash, in such case what do you say ma? Limit of the function is not exist ma. This is about your application oriented definition. Meeku very simple ma, problematic part lo idi calculate cheyandi, idi calculate cheyandi, both equal aithe chalu, you say limit of that function exists, otherwise limit is not exist ma. This is about your limit of the function definitions part ma. Now we can start problematic area in this ma. Now see a problem here ma. If f is mapping from R to R, real number set to real number set, such that f of x is equal to mod x for all x belongings to R, then examine the existence of limit f of x as x tends to 0. Means limit of this exist or not, exist avachchu kakapavachu, that we have to examine ma. This is your question. Here they are not given any basic definition anything ma, simply they will give like this ma. In this you must go like this. What is that ma? First find left hand limit at 0 ma, then find right hand limit at 0. From that you can decide. But for that we have to go through the function. What is that function? It is f is mapping from R to R, real number set to real number set, such that f of x is equal to what ma? Mod x for all x belongs to R. You know mod definition ma, mod x function definition, absolute value function. Mod x means what ma? Absolute value function ma. Yes, that I am writing here. Mod x is x for all x greater than 0. Whenever x is greater than 0, mod x is x ma, right? Mod x is minus x for all x is less than 0. Any problem? And it is 0 for all x equal to 0. Otherwise here you directly you can write mod x equal to x for all x is greater than or equal to 0. Anyway you can write, but I need this. But mainly we need under left hand neighborhood of 0 and right neighborhood of 0. And for x less than 0 you need function ma, for x greater than 0 you need function ma, to define left hand limit and right hand limit of the functions ma, right? Now that we define clearly ma. I mean here f of x is what ma? X for all x greater than 0, and f of x is minus x whenever x is less than 0 ma. Now let us go for left hand limit condition ma. Find limit f of x as x tends to 0 minus. This is limit as x tends to 0 minus. Already in the definition I told ma, x tends to 0 minus means what ma? Whenever x is immediately before 0, what is f of x once go through ma? Immediately before 0 means this one na, x less than 0 na. X tends to 0 minus means whenever x is less than 0, what is the function here ma? Minus x. Now here replace f of x is with what ma? Minus x ma, right? Now this write down in terms of h, under definition I proceed. Replace x with 0 minus h and then take as h tends to 0, right? Now here minus, replace x with what ma? 0 minus h and then take as h tends to 0. Under notation second one, this one only, right? Now here 0 minus h is what ma? Minus h, minus into minus means what ma? H. I mean here we got limit h as h tends to 0. Is it 0 or not? Limit h as h tends to 0 is what ma? 0, right? That is first ma. I mean left hand limit value is 0. Similarly let us go for right hand limit ma. I mean find limit f of x as x tends to 0 plus. This is limit as x tends to 0 plus. X tends to 0 plus means what ma? X is immediately after 0. 0 plus means 0 after. 0 after means is it x is greater than 0 or not? Simply remember ma, x tends to 0 minus means less than 0, x tends to 0 plus means x is greater than 0 condition. Whenever x is greater than 0, f of x is what ma? X. Let us put here, it is x ma. This is again right in terms of h. For that replace x with 0 plus h and then take h tends to 0 ma. Limit 0 plus h as h tends to 0. This is limit as h tends to 0, 0 plus h is h or not ma? Right? Limit h as h tends to 0 is what ma? 0, number 2 ma. Left hand limit is 0, right hand limit also 0. Both are equal or not? That condition I am writing ma. From 1 and 2 implies limit f of x as x tends to 0 minus equal to 0, which equal to limit f of x as x tends to 0 plus. By the definition of your limit ma, what do you say ma? Therefore, limit f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to what ma? 0. This completes your question ma. Understood or not? Any problem according to the definition, you must go through like this only, right? Now see next question ma. Yes, that next question is if f of x is equal to mod x by x for all x is not equal to 0, then examine the existence of limit f of x as x tends to 0. That is your new question. Same previous question lage ikkada mod x ki badalu mod x by x for every x belongs to R and దగ్గర x is not equal to 0, because if x is 0 here it should be 0, 0 by 0 will goes to what ma? Undefined. That's why here they are giving function what ma? This function will exist whenever x is not equal to 0. Don't concentrate it ma, they will give that condition. Same like previous question you can do ma. I mean, let us go for given area first. They are giving that f is mapping from R to R such that f of x is equal to mod x by x for all x is not equal to 0. Ma, x is not equal to 0 means what ma? X less than 0, x greater than 0. In both situations this should be the function. If once go for x less than 0 ma, this implies I am simplifying the function ma. F of x is equal to basically mod x by x no. This is equal to whenever x is less than 0, what is the situation? Whenever x is greater than 0, what is the situation? We need that only. Under this you get left limit, under this you get right hand limit ma, right? But whenever x is less than 0, mod x is what ma? Minus x by this x you can keep as it is. X less than 0 అయితే mod x enta ma? Minus x by x. This becomes what ma? Minus 1. That means f of x is minus 1 for all x is less than 0. Whenever x is greater than 0 ma, mod x is what ma? X by this x I am keeping as it is. X by x is what ma? 1. f of x equal to 1 for all x is greater than 0. అమ్మా ఇలా సింపుల్గా ఇవ్వకుండా ఫంక్షన్ ఏదో కాంప్లికేటెడ్గా ఇచ్చినాడు. దీని బేసిక్ డెఫినేషన్ ఇస్ వాట్ మా? f of x equal to what ma? Minus 1 for all x is less than 0 and f of x is 1 for all x is greater than 0. Now we can find left hand limit and right hand limit of the function ma. Let us go through. Limit f of x as x tends to 0 minus, this is limit as x tends to 0 minus, what is f of x ma? X tends to 0 minus means x less than 0. What is f of x ma? Minus 1. Here no need to write in terms of h ma. If inside the limit x portion is there, then only you can make it in terms of h ma. Here constant is there, basically constant limit is what ma? That constant number itself, so that it should be minus 1. Understood or not? ఇక్కడ x లో ఏమి రిలేషన్ లేదు ఇంటర్నల్ గా అంటే ఇక్కడ నో ప్రాబ్లం. x లో ఉంటే రీప్లేస్ x విత్ 0 మైనస్ h అండ్ దెన్ టేక్ h టెన్స్ టు 0. హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. అర్థమైంది నేను చెప్పింది? ఓన్లీ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఉంటే డైరెక్ట్ రాసేయచ్చు వాల్యూ, దట్ వాల్యూ. Now left hand limit value is what ma? Minus 1 ma. Next let us go through limit f of x as x tends to 0 plus, it is limit as x tends to 0 plus, what is f of x ma? Is it 1 or not? X tends to 0 plus means x greater than 0 case ma. F of x is 1. Again here there is no x value, constant number is there, so that limit value is what ma? That constant number itself ma. Any doubt? You can once look both results ma. From 1 and 2, is it minus 1 equal to 1? No. I mean these two are not equal, that's why limit of the function is not exist, right? Those words I am writing here. From 1 and 2 implies limit f of x as x tends to 0 minus is not equal to limit f of x as x tends to 0 plus. Therefore, limit f of x as x tends to 0 is not exist or does not exist. Any way you can write now. First question, limit exist ma. Second question is what ma? Limit not exist. In both cases I proceed work ma, right? This is about your question. Any doubt is there?